Hey everyone, George here from Axxiome. In this video, I'm going to share a new automation solution we've developed. We call it Enhance Robotic Process Automation. If you're currently working on, thinking about starting, or are refining an existing robotic process automation implementation, you'll want to stick around and hear about how we're able to extend the capabilities of traditional robotic process solutions to include people-centric activities, quickly deliver employee and customer-facing omni-channel applications, and automate paper-based business rules, all while providing real-time process monitoring. Let's get to it. Traditional robotic process automation, or RPA, is doing a good job at removing simple, repetitive, time-consuming tasks and activities from everyday work. So why do we need to enhance robotic process automation? The simple answer is that traditional RPA has limitations that constrain its applicability to a small percentage of enterprise tasks, leaving a tremendous amount of unaddressable processes that require an enhanced solution. Let's talk through some traditional RPA limitations. Number one, traditional RPA is not able to take as input any non-electronic data. Traditional RPA applications can't read or capture data from scanned images, including handwritten content, or take verbal instructions without integrating additional complex solutions like OCR or NLP. Number two, electronic inputs with free format content like a typical text or email, for example, have a high degree of unstructured data. This makes it difficult for traditional RPA to capture or comprehend information without human intervention. Number three, the effectiveness of traditional RPA technology diminishes when changes in business rules are common for a process. Traditional RPA platforms perform best when standard operating procedures are well defined and undergo minimal changes over time. Number four, while traditional RPA can be effective, it typically takes place at an unattended task level, while employee and customers typically operate at an attended activity or process level, meaning that there is an interaction with a live customer either in person, over the phone, or through texting and emails. Number five, traditional RPA is task-based and typically does not provide a facility to monitor, manage, or direct the entirety of a process or processes that the robots are involved with within the enterprise. Number six, traditional RPA works best when there are no or limited exceptions generated. Processes that are prone to exceptions are not great candidates for traditional RPA. Now, let's take a look at how Enhanced Robotic Process Automation works and provides capabilities that address the limitations of traditional RPA. Axxiome's Enhanced Robotic Process Automation solution provides a simple app designer, basically a wizard that requires no coding or programming knowledge, to dynamically produce omni-channel enabled screen flows of simplified processes. We are able to produce simplified and automated omni-channel enabled processes with no coding or programming by leveraging all the assets that you already have in your enterprise: systems, security, and most importantly, people. Enhanced RPA from Axxiome requires zero enterprise APIs, zero upgrades to existing systems, zero new infrastructure, zero new security, and no need to replace any existing applications. There are additional benefits, but it's probably better to talk about them as we walk through the enhanced RPA structure. Let's suppose there are two enterprise solutions: Legacy Application 1 and Legacy Application 2. Legacy Application 1 is not a prime target for traditional RPA. Its processes rely on non-electronic inputs of unstructured data that have regular changes to underlying business rules. It's used primarily by frontline employees to satisfy direct customer interactions, either in person, over the phone, or via text and email requests. Based on the characteristics of the process, Enhanced RPA is selected to simplify and omni-channel enable these legacy processes from Legacy Application 1. Legacy Application 2, on the other hand, provides simple tasks that are driven by standard inputs based on business rules that rarely, if ever, change. It also processes tasks that can be completed 24/7 in a customer self-service manner, requiring no intervention on the company's part. Traditional RPA can easily satisfy the requirements and provide infinitely scalable bots to satisfy the requirements of Legacy Application 2 tasks. The bot for Legacy Application 2 is built, tested, and deployed, leveraging a standard email form for entry of the required data and to kick off the process. Most traditional RPA solutions also provide the capability to expose the developed robots as enterprise services. In this case, Legacy Application 2's robot is exposed as an application programming interface, or API. The API can then be consumed by other enterprise processes that need to leverage the functionality provided by Legacy Application 2. The enhanced robotic process automation for Legacy Application 1 is modeled in the Axxiome Enhanced RPA app designer, and the business users are extremely happy with the results and the fact that the process can now be deployed across multiple channels. During the design of the process, however, the business analysts realized that by completing part of Legacy Application 1's process, their employees were also collecting the same data needed to complete the task from Legacy Application 2. This realization generated another opportunity for process simplification. Enhanced RPA provides the ability to integrate and consume enterprise APIs within its processes, so the newly created traditional RPA robot from Legacy Application 2 is integrated into the enhanced RPA process, removing the possibility for dual data entry errors. Now, this example company, like many others, wants to own their customer experience. They've spent a lot of time and energy developing their own omni-channel user interface, and although they like the speed of development that the Enhanced RPA solution provides through the app developer, they want to include their own screen designs because they want the process customer-facing across mobile and online channels. With Axxiome's Enhanced RPA, this is not a problem. Their custom screens can either be included into the app designer directly, or the entire Legacy Application 1 process can be exposed as an enterprise API as well. This capability to turn rapidly developed simplified applications into enterprise APIs is the missing link for IT shops that are trying to run two-speed or bimodal IT development. It provides the ability to take existing processes and quickly expose them as a service, allowing the rapid innovation teams to truly operate at a faster speed than their legacy teams can provide traditional services. Enhanced RPA provides the integration with Axxiome Digital. Axxiome Digital provides the business process monitoring and business rules management capability for the enhanced RPA process. This means that our clients are able to automate business rules, policies, and procedures that currently reside in paper-based manuals or, in the worst-case scenario, in subject matter experts' heads through the application of a central business rules engine. Additionally, currently unmonitored business processes can be monitored quickly in Axxiome Digital's business process management system to be monitored via simplified process responses from the enhanced RPA process. Axxiome developed enhanced robotic process automation to address traditional limitations of RPA, as well as to address a wider cross-section of enterprise processes that traditional RPA can't service. The main benefits of enhanced RPA include: number one, simplification, consolidation, and omni-channel enablement of current human-centric processes. Number two, automate the application of currently manually applied business rules, policies, and procedures. Number three, monitor, manage, and direct previously unmonitored complex processes. Number four, leverage previous investments made in enterprise services and functional RPA implementations by incorporating them into more complex processes addressed by the enhanced RPA engine. Number five, provide the capability to run a true two-speed IT group by rapidly producing omni-channel enabled processes that can be exposed as enterprise services via APIs. If you're interested in learning more about Axxiome's enhanced robotic process automation solution, please contact us at the links provided.